Hello everyone, my name is Parul and I'm back with the new concept of chapter trigonometry, that is trigonometric ratios of specific angles. You have done geometry in your previous classes and you're already familiar with the construction of angles 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And in this section we will find the values of the trigonometric ratios for these angles and of course for 0 degree. We will use sine 0 is equals to 0, sine 90 is equals to 1 and so on, and from where these values are coming you have to watch this video till the end. So let's start with the trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. For this, consider a right triangle ABC with angle B is equals to 90 degree by using angle sum property of triangle, that is sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degree. We get angle A is equals to angle C is equals to 45 degree. So from this AB is equals to BC. Why? Because side opposite to equal angle in a triangle are equal. AB is the side opposite to angle C and BC is the side opposite to angle A. So AB is equals to BC. Now let AB is equals to BC is equals to A. Therefore, in right triangle ABC, by using PGT, that is Pythagoras theorem, which says hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square, and in right triangle ABC hypotenuse is AC, base is AB and perpendicular is BC. Therefore AC square is equals to AB and BC is equals to A. So A square plus A square. So AC square is equals to twice A square. So AC is equals to under root twice A square. Therefore AC is equals to A root 2. Since AB is equals to A, BC is equals to A, AC is equals to A root 2, we will find all the trigonometric ratios. We have done this in our previous video, that sine 45 degree is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is BC upon hypotenuse is AC, which is given A upon A root 2. So from this 1 upon root 2, A and A cancel. Cos 45 is equals to base upon hypotenuse. Base is AB, hypotenuse is AC, which is equals to A upon A root 2, which is equals to 1 upon root 2, A and A cancel. And tan 45 is equals to P upon B, that is perpendicular upon base, which is equals to BC upon AB, which is equals to A upon A and AA cancel, and tan 45 is equals to 1. Then cosec 45 degree is equals to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, which is AC upon BC, which is A root 2 upon A, which is equals to root 2. Sec 45 is equals to hypotenuse upon base, AC upon AB, A root 2 upon A, AA cancel, which is equals to 2. And cot 45 is equals to base upon perpendicular, AB upon BC, A upon A, AA cancel, which is equals to 1. So sine 45 degree is equals to 1 upon root 2, cos 45 degree is equals to 1 upon root 2, tan 45 degree is equals to 1, and cosec 45 degree is equals to root 2, sec 45 degree is equals to root 2, cot 45 degree is equals to 1. And from this we can say that sine 45 and cosec 45, or the trigonometric ratios sine and cosec are reciprocal to each other, cos and sec are reciprocal to each other, tan and cot are reciprocal to each other. I hope this video helped you, and in the next video we will find the another trigonometric ratios of angles 60 degree, 30 degree, 0 degree and 90 degree. Thank you so much.